Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a question today from one of the lovely ladies that are doing my Be Your Own Brand course with Soul Purpose Business. And she's in a dilemma of whether you should go down the route of resting more and doing less, or go down the route of starting a brand new business, really going for your goals, going for your dreams. And she says she's really on the fence between the two. Now, my advice for that would be do both. If in your heart and in your soul, you genuinely have the excitement to start this new goal, you really want to start this new business, but you also feel that you need to look after your health more, you need to look after your wellness more, then find a way to do both. And I absolutely believe and know and have seen in my own experience and with the women and wonderful people that I've worked with over the years, particularly with the face yoga teacher training that I've done, that you can absolutely do both. So as you put together your business plan, as you put together your goals, making sure that you're factoring in self-care time, you're factoring in rest time, you're making sure you don't do everything yourself, you're making sure you delegate certain things. And more than anything, the things that you do are the things that light you up. Often we burn out when we're doing too much of the things that we think we should be doing, or too much of the things that other people expect us to be doing, or too much of stuff that just doesn't feel good for us or that we find really hard. But if we really throw ourselves into the things that excite us, the things that really get us motivated, then we find that we have an energy within us. And even when we're doing that, there is that side of things where you can't do that all the time. Even if you love your business, you love your brand, you're really just doing the things that you're good at and the things that you like and the things that really light you up, you really do need to take that time for self-care too. But I really believe that the old school paradigm is out, that you just have to work hard to achieve your goals. You need to work smart to achieve your goals. So yes, go forward. If your heart and soul are telling you to do something, go and do it. But remember, you also need to factor in more time to rest, more time for wellness, and more time for you.